Hello viewers, here is a set of Panasonic 2.4 gigahertz telephones. This is model KX-TG2432, and it does have the infamous Caller IQ feature, or whatever it is. I never really understood what that is. It does have the digital 2.4 gigahertz gigarange branding. Did you hear that? It sounded like something just made a noise over here. Okay, well anyways, I'm not sure if these are digital spread spectrum. I suspect they probably are. I'm also not certain as to whether or not these are dual band 2.4 over 900. There were plenty of phones that were that. I don't know if these are them or not. I suspect probably not. Anyways, this is a set that I've been looking to get for a long time. My aunt and uncle used to have a set of this years ago. Actually, they had it for a while. I think they had it up until the mid-2010s or around there. And I didn't go over there too often because they weren't very close by. But I do recall seeing these phones over there many times. And a lot of good memories with these phones. There was one particular instance where my aunt, she's a very light-hearted, comical individual. And their house is... Okay, something's flicking in here. Hearing like a electrical sound. Okay, this whole thing is flickering now. And it's not loose, so that's kind of unsettling. Oh, yikes. Okay, we're going to have to investigate this light fixture because it is sparking, which is not good. Light fixtures are not supposed to spark. I don't know if that was captured on the video or not. It wasn't terribly bright. I just put this fixture in a few days ago because, well, this is a whole fiasco and a half. The rationale behind what transpired. This fixture was originally in the office, over there, and I had replaced it with this fixture. No, I took this fixture and put it over here, and I took the fixture that was here and put it into the office because there was a plug on it, and I needed that plug on the light fixture. And then it turned out that I didn't really need it, but it kind of came in handy anyway, so I kept it over there. So I'm going to unplug this thing, and let's see what went wrong. And it might have been this thing. I don't know. This claims it can handle 660 watts. I've kind of believed it. Maybe I shouldn't believe it. Well, let's see if I have another one of those. I'll change it out. Oh, there's one right there. That's pretty convenient. It looks like it's even polarized too. Okay, so I'm going to put this other thing in there. Now this doesn't have the pull string switch, which is something that I want this to have. So if this works, then I'll have to get another whatever that thing is. whatever this thing is called, the outlets adapter. Okay. Let's see what transpires. I'll put the other light back in. It's okay. Wow, that's interesting. This has spoiled. I didn't know these spoiled. It's not even made in the China. It's made in the Mexico. Well, Alright, I'm gonna have to get another one of these then. Oh, it's always something. I'm screwing in this new thing here. I'm saying, why is there two chains? I don't know why in the world I thought that the main control was on this thing, because it's not. It's on the light itself. So I can take that one that I put in there from the chandelier and put this back in and it's fine. Because I don't need the chain to be on there. Okay. Now I gotta do something about this though. I'm hesitant to use that sparking one. Now, let's try it and see what happens. Because it's been fine before and I don't understand why it would just suddenly, not want to work. Did I turn it off? Yeah, I guess it doesn't want to work. Okay, so somehow, in some fashion or another, this thing just completely quit. I've never had that happen before. Whoops. Well, it was almost the end of the camera. Okay, I gotta get another one now. Here we go, here's a vintage one. So this one's probably gonna work. Okay, this video is really excellent quality here. Alright, let's try this vintage one. Okay, finally. Alright. With that all resolved, and now I've forgotten which one is which, so I'm going to have to test these later to find out which one's spoiled. Now we can get back to the original video.